Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video with your one and only Claudiecooks in the kitchen. Yes, my peeps, today I really want something that is packed full of protein and delicious fresh vegetables. So today we are going to make some mini quiches. Are you ready, people? But before we do anything, let's have a look at some of the ingredients we have here. Doesn't that all look so summery and healthy for you? Let's get cooking, people. Let's add a bit of oil to the pan, about a tablespoon. Time to add some onion. I'm using half of a medium onion. Just going to saute this off for about a minute or two before adding the other ingredients. Let's add some pancetta, and I'm using a small container. Give that a little stir. We're just going to render out some of that fat, and I'm going to let that just cook there for about 2 minutes. I'm going to add the mixed peppers, tomatoes, and garlic. Give that a little mix. I'm going to let that saute for about 3 minutes. I'm to throw in some garden peas, some charred grilled peppers for extra depth of flavors, and we put in a handful of spinach. You add in some all-purpose seasoning, just a pinch, 4 teaspoons smoked paprika, salt, and for some heat we have some chili flakes. We're going to add some garlic granules and onion granules, and that's just about 1/4 teaspoon, all salt-free. We're just going to mix this up. Just trying to get the spinach wilted and the peas just heat through a bit, because we're going to be putting it in the oven, so it's going to be cooked again. Okay, so I am happy with that, and I'm just going to turn the heat off, and then let's get whisking the eggs. Right, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of milk of your choice, and to that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cottage cheese. Let's crack the eggs. I'm using 5 eggs. I'm not going to add any more salt to the eggs because I put it in the vegetables, so we don't want to have too much salt. Good grinding of black pepper, and we're going to mix. I'm going to mix this until it's all combined. I forgot the feta cheese, so I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of grated feta to the mix. We wanted high protein. Right, once this is fully mixed, we're just going to set it aside, and then we're going to hold the muffin tray, and then we're going to start assembling the ingredients. Let's add a bit of fresh herbs to this. Right, and we've got chives and parsley. This is before we assemble it, and we're just going to give it a little mix. So nice and cool now, ready to go in the muffin tray. Let's move this. Let's get the tray ready. Right, we're going to put the filling into the tray, and then we're going to pour the egg mixture on top of them, followed by some cheese. So once I've finished with labeling this up, I'll be back. Let's pour the mixture in. time to put some cheese on the top. And the quantity that I've made is to do 12. So I'm making these now so that I can have them. And then the rest I can make for later to keep in the fridge for tomorrow. And a little sprinkling of fresh herbs. And I've got an oven already preheated at 180 degrees Celsius. And I'm going to put these in there for about 18 to 20 minutes. So I'll see you then. Right, this is after 15 minutes in the oven. Right, so just gauge your oven temperature and see how much time it needs, but this only needed 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna let them sit here and cool off for a bit, and then I'll back when I'm plating them up. And there you have it, guys, my mini cheesy protein packed quiche. Enjoy.